Trojans. Named after the mythological Trojan horse, Trojans disguise themselves as legitimate software to deceive users. Unlike viruses and worms, which self-replicate and spread, Trojans rely on social engineering techniques to trick users into executing or installing them. Once activated, they can perform various malicious activities, such as stealing sensitive information, creating backdoors for unauthorized access, or launching other malware. Here are some key characteristics of Trojans. Deceptive appearance. Trojans are designed to appear harmless or desirable to users. They often disguise themselves as legitimate software, games, media files, or email attachments to trick users into opening or executing them. Non-self-replicating. Unlike viruses and worms, Trojans do not have the ability to self-replicate. They do not spread on their own but instead rely on users voluntarily executing or installing them. Unauthorized actions. Trojans carry out unauthorized actions or activities once executed. These actions can vary widely depending on the specific Trojan's purpose and payload. Trojans can perform functions such as stealing sensitive information, creating backdoors for remote access, launching additional malware, or modifying system settings. Payload. The payload of a Trojan can vary greatly. Some Trojans are designed to cause immediate damage or disruption to the infected system, while others focus on stealthy activities like spying on the user or stealing sensitive data. Trojans can also serve as a delivery mechanism for other types of malware, enabling the installation of additional malicious software. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and check the cybersecurity playlist for more.